In this video, there are 2 points we'll share to you. 1. How to protect Workbook. 2. How to protect Worksheet or Cell.
1. How to protect Workbook. If I right-click on Sheet, some tools are hide. That we can't control. How to adjust like that? First, click on Review. After, click on Protect Workbook. Enter the password inbox and the password greater than 1. After, enter the same password again. Okay, check the outcome. I right-click on Sheet, and some of tools are hide that I can't access. For Unprotect Workbook, I just click Workbook, enter the password inbox. After, click OK. Now, tools and sheets I can access. OK with Protect Workbook is done. 2. How to protect on cells. This is File of Student Score Record. And there are 3 columns can enter score in cell. Now I click on Cell and Insert Number. English, Skill, and Computer Access too. But in the total column it can't. If I enter the number, it will alert message. Or I want to delete some information, I can't do it. Okay, how to protect Worksheet. Now I remove numbers in Cell and left-click in this to select all cell. Next, click on Home and click on Format. And clearly that your cell is locking. Now my cell is locking. Next, hold Select with 3 columns on cells. After, right-click on cell and choose Format Cell. Click Protections and uncheck Unlocked. And click OK.
After, I click on Review and choose Protect Sheet. Enter the password and click OK. Enter the same password again. Ready, click on Cell and enter student score. If I enter the score in column Total, it doesn't allow enter number in cell. These cells the same. I select and press key Delete, but I can't do it. For these cells the same, I can enter. Anyway, if I want to format on cell, I see that can't allow to edit. Bold, italic, and font size that can't menang. With these issue, I just open some tool in Protect Cell. Hold Select Cells to edit and click on Review. Next, click on Unprotect Sheet. Enter with protected password. Next, click Tool again. Check on Format tool and set Enter. Enter the password and click OK. Now check the outcome. The Format tools I can manage or edit cell. The last point, I want to remove Protect on Cell. I hold Select on Protected on Cell and click on Review. After, click on Unprotected Sheet and remove the password. Now, click on Name Cells and right-click. With Delete tools, I can use it. This cell, the same, I can enter. With 2 points, Protect Workbook and Protect Sheet are done. Subscribe for more sharing. Thank you.